All right, welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We are at Helen for Helen Import Day. As you guys know, one of the big import shows other than Import Alliance. We made it out here. I've been to Helen several times and I love Helen. It's really, really dope. So yeah, let's go ahead and show you guys who I parked next to. I have my car here, looking good, looking decently clean for a 6-hour trip. This is a 6-hour trip for me, but it looks decently clean. Next to my boy HulkPro. One thing I wanted to show you guys about his car is look. Okay, so I don't know if I showed you guys this, but look, it's carbon fiber and it's got this red in it that like matches the stripes and stuff that come with the car. So that's really cool. I know he pointed that out to me and that's really cool. Also, the hood scoop is the exact same, which is really cool because I want to get a black hood scoop as well, and the back of his wing. Some new lug nuts from the last time I showed it, and dude, I cannot say enough cool things about this dude's car. This car is fucking perfect in every single way possible. This Type R that we have right here, so he's got one of the exhausts that I was looking at. It looks really nice. The one that I'm looking for another dual tip exhaust, one that kind of angles up. And if you guys are looking, it has the burnt tip and it also angles up, so it's really nice. But this is not the Sonic Gray with the green flake in it. This is another color. I forgot the name of it. But we were just talking to the owner of it. That's his Instagram. Go ahead and follow him. But yeah, TE37s looking awesome with the caps. A lot of people leave the center caps off of them, but he didn't. And I think it looks really nice. And obviously he's really, really low. And I assume they're the 18 inches. And this thing looks insane. One of the reasons I really want a lower Type R on 18 inches, because then you'll get that nice low look and not really that heightened look of mine. So mine looks like really high up in the air. This one looks really nice and sporty. Boys, look at this. Unfortunately, I was in the guy's way, but this thing is awesome. Like, if I ever was gonna get a truck, not saying I am, but if I ever was, I wanted to be something crazy like this. I wanted to be something so off the wall to where people are looking like, what in the world is going on? Like, look, dude, look at this thing. Holy crap, and it's right-hand drive? Dude, that is so, so cool. Holy crap, look at that. Dude, look at this LC500 wrapped. This thing is so cool. Like, I've only ever seen a few in person, but it is so flat and so wide. It's like taking like supercar dimensions and like extending it out. Like, it is like super flat. And of course the wrap on it just makes it look even flatter and brings out the body lines of it. I think they're so rare because they're so expensive. It also makes them more exclusive. But honestly, dude, I really like them. Like, look at that. Just look at the headlight. Like, if you see that headlight, you're not recognizing what that is right away, dude. Like, this thing is special. Look at this Supra. I think we've seen it before. This is the one with the Thanos, I believe, on the license plate. But I just like looking at them. I mean, I really do. I love Supras. So look at that thing. Dude, that thing looks mean. And look at that turbo. Once again, I always say the same thing. The turbo looks huge. Yeah. But look, that turbo is, let me look at it. Like, it's just sitting there just going wild. And dude, look at that intake, dude. I love seeing intakes of the inline sixes because they're just huge and long. So like, they're really nice.
What do you mean by that?
No, this is one of the cleanest engine bays I've seen. It's beautiful. And then there's the color of that paint. Very, very nice. I believe this is the Targa top, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, because you can see that line right there. But look at the inside. Dude, I love the inside of Supras because everything's faced towards the driver. That was a big 90s trend. All right, RX-7s are just beautiful on their own. They just always are. But look at what they swapped into it. Now, if you thought the last turbo boot was big, holy crap. And that one ain't even got a filter on it. So, you know, shame on the driver, but I'm pretty sure it's for the show. But look at that, that is insane. If you're gonna swap anything into it, this was the right decision, all right? I very much support it. And look at that, and if you guys wanna know what kind of wheels they're rocking in the back, look at that. Dude, that is insane. Look at the way the inside looks like. Beautiful. Also, similar thing with the Supras, everything's kind of faced towards the driver. Ooh, and look at the hood, that carbon fiber hood. Sheesh, I really like that. I think that RX-7 is so far my favorite of this meet. It's something for a super unique color, I love it. Carbon fiber, I love it. Cleanness, I love it. Just an all-around really good build. Boys, look at the wing on that Supra. Holy crap. Now, I will say, styling-wise, I love the way the new Supras look. The styling is, I believe they nailed it. When they first released it, I was a little about it. But now, dude, I really, really like it. And I like this fender right here. You see how the fender is like going in so you can see the back of the tire? Nah, that's really dope. Look, boys, we got the GTR. Man, I love GTRs, man. I really want to ride in one. I want to experience all-wheel drive. Did you guys know I've never been in an all-wheel drive vehicle before in my life? Like, I want to know what that launch is like in all-wheel drive. One day I will get in one, I promise. But for now, we just look at them. You know how most of the time we had the Type R's lined up in a huge group? Well, I don't know what happened. We really didn't line up this time. It was just me and Omer and a few other people with Type R's, but it wasn't like the big group that we always have. I guess they just didn't want to make it out to Helen, I'm not sure. But I will tell you boys what, the Veloster N's are now taking over, okay? We were parking, getting ready to come to the meet, and we just see a bunch of Veloster N's come by, and dude, their exhaust notes are insane. I wish I could hear one. Maybe we'll get one on the way out. But looking at the Velosters, they look really nice. Like I said, I'm really a big fan of the compactness of them, you know, and I've always liked Velosters, but seeing all of them pull up, I don't know, there's just something about them. I got a new respect for them, honestly. And I mean, they look really nice. I mean, you put some nice sports seats in them, which I know they have, and they look really nice. They don't look bad at all. So, huge respect to the Veloster N's. I really like them. This Datsun 280. Holy crap, that looks nice. Oh, okay, yeah, look at that, the RB swap. Look at that big turbo and everything. Now, they have a filter on it. They're good people for putting a filter on it. Good job. But look at it. I love how the hood opens that way. And just the shape of them. I know the new 400Zs, or not 400Zs, just the new Nissan Zs. That's what they're modeled after. And that's really nice. But yeah, no, I like the color of it, and overall I just really like the shape of it. Plus, if you guys didn't know, Miata headlights, so they share the same headlights as what we got in the Miata. Obviously they're made for Jeeps, but you can use them for every single car on planet Earth. Look at this old Volkswagen. Now, I'm not a big Volkswagen guy, so I'm not exactly sure of it, or what kind of car it is exactly, but I love this shape of it, and look how clean that engine bay looks. I mean, insane. I mean, that's, you know, even right there, it's got the VW logos right there and right there. No, that's actually really, really clean. And look at that. I love this, the shape of these cars. That shape that the 90s cars had. I'm a really big fan of that. I really want to own something like that one day. That's why I really like the hatches and station wagons, because they kind of go towards that trend. Ooh, BBS wheel. Look at that. Ooh, the interior is nice and clean. And even though you like sit in, there's not much in there, you like feel like you're sitting low. And then of course you got the back seats, even though it's a coupe. No, I really like this a lot. Of course you got the BBS wheels to match. Nice. Look at the off-road smart car, boys. I know somebody was gonna have some crazy build going on here, and this one did it. Look at this. It's got the winch in the middle, got the light bar, off-road. Yeah, I don't dig it. It kind of reminds me of like one of those off-road golf carts you see. But beautiful, dude, beautiful. And I love the wrap on it. Wrap's absolutely sick. It's full of lights. Oh, that is sick. I didn't even see that. Look, it's full of lights. Dude, that is so dope. Look at the exhaust, dude. That is one that tell me that exhaust does not match the car 100%. Them tiny tailpipes. Look at that. No, dude, I really messed with this. Whoever made this, they did a really good job. Look at the 370, all right? Now, you know I love all black cars. I really do love all black. And then it's got carbon fiber fenders and the hood. You can see by the texture. Dude, look at that. Just an all clean black build. And then look, his fitment's really good. It's nice and flush. And no, I mess with it. Like I said, I love the 370s, the way they look, but the 350s, I hate the way they look. And I know they're very similar to each other, but just the little changes that they made from the 350s to the 370s, like, it made it all the difference for me. Dude, look at that tailpipe. Holy crap, dude. Holy Jesus, dude, I love that style. This is a controversial opinion, a very controversial opinion, me being a Miata owner. But the 124 Spyder, I love it more than the new Miata, than the ND Miata. Looks-wise, I would much rather have this than an ND Miata. Like, I don't know what it is about it. Maybe it's the fact that it's special. You know, it's unique. You don't really see as many of them. I know the interior is the same, you know, just rebranded and stuff. But honestly, dude, I really like this one a little bit more. I don't know, it has more of an exotic vibe to it. And I really don't like the rear bumpers of the NDs. I don't know what it is. I've just never been a real big fan of them. Like, subscribe. Really cool. I like talking to people. I like meeting new people and just seeing really cool builds. Like I said, I like seeing unique stuff. Like, I imagine Gingium would have brought like one of his builds, like the off-road Miata or something. You know, I like seeing unique stuff. Seeing clean stuff is nice and I like it, but you really see those all the time. So I like seeing something unique, like this Suzuki. Like, think about it. When are you ever gonna see something like that? Like, that is so dope, dude. Look, even his license plate is just freaking awesome. Tell me what you guys thought, you know, and like I said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.